All right, guys. Welcome. Where is my camera? Here we go. All right. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. All right. Can I have people just confirming sound is loud and clear? Sorry for the mess in the back. Yeah, this screen is not set up because actually I can remove. Whatever. It's gonna stay there. Volume's good. Awesome. Let's get going. So first thing first, welcome. If it's your first time here, welcome. This is called Forex Talk Over Beer. The concept is really simple. Basically, I'm gonna crack up a beer and we're gonna have a drink together. Yeah. So basically, we're gonna have a drink together and we're gonna talk about Forex. I'm gonna go over Q&As. So any question you have, shoot it, post it in the chat. I'm also gonna go break down trades that we took Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Actually, today we're gonna break those down. And again, if you have any question, any subject you want to talk about, Forex related, or maybe not, because it's Forex Talk Over Beer, so it can be chill. Tonight, it's going to be a pretty loaded episode because we had a lot of trade to break down. But yeah. What's up, dogs? What's up, Kevin? Caveman, I mean. Kevin. What's up, Hugo? What's up, Patrick? What's up, Rages? Amanda, Mike. Yeah, boy. All right. So we're getting people on. So we're just about to get started with the show. Make sure you smash that like button before we move on. But first thing first, let's crack up the beer. All right, so we got in the pre-show, because if you guys missed the pre-show, we always do a pre-show on Instagram a couple minutes prior to the show, and people choose the beer I'm going to drink tonight. So tonight is a double IPA from La Nouvelle France, and this is 7.8%, and it looks pretty good. It's the malt that they use, Galaxy and Vic Secret. So let's try that. First thing first, let's crack it up. All right. Let's go, baby. Nice color. Ooh, I like it. I like it like that. Yeah, baby. All right. All right, so we got people jumping on right now on YouTube. Make sure you smash that like button as you come in. All right. Okay. All right. That smells really good. Wow, so tasty. And I forgot to do a cheer, so I'm gonna have to take another one. All right, so the rule, the principle is super simple. Principle is super simple. This make no sense at all. The concept is really simple. Again, I'm going to repeat myself, but people just join. So we're going to talk about Forex. We're going to have a drink together. So if you're having a drink with me right now, snap a picture. I'm just about to do a cheers with you. So I'm going to do a cheers. Snap the picture. Post it on your story. Tag myself in it so I'm going to be able to reshare it. Okay? So make sure you do that. And let's do our cheers. All right, so let's have fun tonight. Cheers, guys. All right, so hopefully you were able to snap that picture. If you didn't do it, just rewind a little bit the stream. You're going to be able to snap that picture. So again, cheers. This is really good. Really good. All right, awesome. Let's get going, guys. Let's get going. Let's see comments here. Today and yesterday was a big range day. Oh man, what a day. It was a rough morning. It was. Cheers, Sasha. Cheers, dogs. Miss you guys. Great shirt, coach. Hey, Francesco. Thank you, man. This is a gift from Francesco and his band. And if you guys don't follow them, you should follow them. You can also follow them on Spotify and listen to this music. It's a really great band. I keep showing this because it's not because to be honest, if I would have known this group before knowing Francesco, I would be already following this group because their music is really good. Make sure you go listen to those guys. Oh, actually, you don't see the screen. Let me get the camera smaller. All right, so right there, those guys, the fuller tones. All right, so make sure you go follow them, listen to their music, and this is Francesco right here in the middle. This is one of our student, so give him some love, man. Amazing music. So this is the T-shirt right here. All right, so yeah, pretty proud of wearing that T-shirt, man. All right, so now let's take a look at trades, baby. All right, so let's remove this for a second. Let's put new window. Let's get Trixie here. All right, Trixie. All right, let's start to break down Monday. It was a pretty rocky couple last days. As you see, I got a couple losses here. 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss, 4 loss, 5 loss. You see, I don't hide behind my losses. I show them. I'm not, I don't give a shit. But if you look prior to this, I mean, look at those win streak, so a couple losses here and there. But, most of them were pretty winners, so it's okay. It's okay. When you lose, you learn, right? So that's good. All right. So as you see, impulse entry. This was one of the rare moment I took an impulse entry and that was a loss. So impulse entry is pretty brutal. But that was last week, right? So which day was Monday? The 26th. Okay. So let's go to the 26th right here. All right. So first trade on Monday. Let's break this down. Okay, so this morning the trend was mostly bearish, but looking at the weekly candle, I know that GJ needed to create a top wick first. That's why I was actually looking for buys. The target was the H4 golden zone. I think I was just a little too early in that trade when I saw the 5 a.m. candle closing strong bullish above previous range. I took a buy. I took only a 0.5% entry since it was really close to the major QP. Decided to close full at minus 6 pips. So even if it was a loss, I'm trying to get that loss, small. So let's take a look at this. So this yellow box is my golden zone on the H4 time frame. So I was actually aiming this target as a scalp for price to come down after, but look like price just destroyed that golden zone and keep going on, right? So that happens sometimes, and that's okay. All right, so what happened here? So basically, price went up here, created new high. Price came down, formed support. As you see, support formed above 750 QP, above previous range. So it was a pretty nice, big, bullish candle, establishing support, closing right on the dot of the 750 QP. The only problem, it was really close to sorry, this is my other trade. Sorry. So support was formed right here, and we close with a very nice bullish candle right here. Okay. So what I said, all right, I'm gonna take an entry right here on the opening of the candle because I got my confirmation, right? So we got a new high form, we got support form on the QP. I'm targeting this golden zone. Nice big bullish candle. I don't need any more confirmation. Let's go. So, and I told if we break this high, I'm probably going to add another 0.5 to do 1%. So what happened here? Price actually wick up just a little bit and boom, straight the hell down and never came back up. So decided to close here full at minus 6 pips. Oh, sorry. Close full, close 50 pips. Oh, yeah, you're right. So, sorry. So it first went down here, and then when it was super close to break that low, I decided to close 50%, okay? So 50% was closed right here, and when I saw it was just playing game here, I said, you know what, screw this, I'm gonna close full. So I closed full when it was minus 6 pips, so it was not playing out, especially that this candle already closed against me, so I was like, all right, so this is it. So that was pretty simple. It was a loss, but to be honest, it was not a stupid loss. I don't think there was a big mistake here. It just didn't play out. And I guess I was just a little too early in that trade. Usually that kind of setup works great for me. And yeah, it is what it is, right? So, hey, cheers, guys. All right, we got 26 people on. Actually, 32. Let's get some more likes. We got 11 likes. Smash that like button, guys, please. All right. Today and yesterday was a big range. Okay, yeah. Bob Dayen. Vive les hippocampes. Mais, hein, les hippocampes. Les hippocampes, ça... Ouais, c'est solide, les hippocampes. Is it your first time you trying that beer? That one is my... Oh, actually, no, it's my second... Because actually, when I have an app for a beer, right? It's called Untapped. If you don't know that app, you need to download that app if you like beers. Untapped is an app to rate beers. So when I scanned that beer at the store, I realized that I already drank it before last summer. But I was with a friend and we split the beer. And we were already pretty, partying hard, so I didn't really remember, so I decided to buy it again and really taste it for myself because I don't really remember that beer. So that's why I bought it again. So it's like my first time. Yeah. Most of my beer, they are all my first one, most of them. All right, let's see. Yeah, that beer it's pretty good, man. Look at this color. I mean, I don't know if the camera can yeah, it's nice, thick yellow color. I love it. The smell is pretty good also. All right, so getting that second beer going before your cheers. Oh, okay. Sasha the goat. Oh man, thank you, Brandon. Boo, mate, boo. Sasha, I'm getting my magic key next week. Awesome. Just wanted to know what it's like for you as a fellow MacBook user. I'm getting parallel as well. I wish I can help you, Brandon. I really sucks at anything techie. As you see, I can show you right here. I got my PC right there. My PC here is my computer that has my MT4 on it. So I don't use my Mac for my MT4. So this is my new Surface Laptop 3. Oops, shit. Hold on, wait a second. Hold on. Need my two hands. It's a pretty tough cover. Okay. So, alright. So, yeah. So, unfortunately, I cannot help you with that. Sorry, man. Sasha, you gotta study us more French. Hell yeah, for sure, man. Alright, so that was the first trade. Alright, so let's take a look at the second trade of Monday. So, it's really rare I'm gonna let GJ kick my ass before, having a chance to kick GJ's ass after. So basically, after that small loss, I was waiting for solid setup. When the 7:30 a.m. candle closed above 150 major QP, I was expecting volume form. Volume? I don't know. I probably did a mistake here. I was probably drunk. NY open to push price up. Waited for the dogtail setup. So once the tail was formed and price broke the high of previous candle, I entered 4 positions. Oh yeah, I remember that trade. I went a little hard on it. Since I had no time to change my lot size. Little error, I risked 4% instead of 3. Yeah, I realized that after. I was like, auto break even was set at 11 pips and partial TP was set at 15. Alright, so let's take a look at this. So let's take a look at this. Alright, so again, so price made a new high here, right? So we had this fail attempt. Price came back. Also did, whoops. I should have wrote that also. Oh no, actually that was trending up, sorry. Sorry, guys. Let's delete that. Okay, perfect. Okay, so anyways, so support was formed. We decided to push up, but at this stage, I was not ready to enter here. The reason why we had this resistance right here, and I already had a failed attempt in this area. So I was like, let's wait for something more solid. So waited for this candle to finally break this major QP. Okay, so this major QP right here. So we close above. So this is our breaking candle. This one is our breaking candle right here. So what I waited for next candle to wick down to form that tail. So we got that tail form. Awesome. And since stop loss would have been super tight here, I decided to put my stop loss under the previous 30-minute. And I think that was like, wait a second, that was like 15 pips stop loss. So sometimes I use that as a fixed stop loss. At this point, it was right under this wick, so that made sense. So anyway, so waited for that tail to form. So once that dog tail was formed, once it broke the high right here, that's where I entered my 4 position back to back. I didn't use dynamic risk. The only reason why I used 4 position, it's because I didn't have time to change my lot size. So that's the only reason. And I wanted to risk a little bit more because this kind of setup, I really like it, and it's been working great for me. So auto break even was hit right here at 11 pips, and partial TP was hit here at 15 pips, and 90% of the position were closed automatically by Magic Key. Thank you to Magic Key. And my runner got stopped at 1 pip profit because I moved my stop loss and profit because I just hate being like having like a runner stop in, you know, just break even or reds. I hate red on my MT4. I'm kind of allergic to red on my MT4. I love red because my truck is red, right? I love red, but not in my MT4. On my MT4, when I see red, it's like, ugh. You know, it's not cool. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Do we have any question about that trade? 15 pips are magic. Yeah, man, 15 pips. Can you imagine 15 pips? I used to secure 10 pips. But what happened? Okay, let's talk about that. All right, cheers, guys. All right, we got 30 people. We got 20 likes. Can we get to 30? Can we have a 100% like ratio? I know that's hard, but that would be cool. That would be definitely cool. Let's try and see if we can get a 100% like ratio. That would be amazing, man. If we do that, man, yeah, I gotta watch out what I'm gonna say. But anyways, all right. So long story short, what I was saying, yeah, the 15 pips. Okay, so funny thing is, I used to secure 10 pips. After that, I started to do 11. And after going back to my journal, and this is why it's really important to journal your trade, guys. Because when I went back to my journal, I started to realize that every time my partial TP hit at 11 pips, it was actually going to 15 pips at least before retracing down. So I was like, all right, so let's try something for like a couple of days. Let's set up an auto break even at 11 pips where I usually secure profits. So worst case scenario, I'm not making any money. You know, I'm break even, and best case scenario, I'm making 4 pips more. 4 pips more by 5 days. That is 20 pips more at the end of the week. This is 80 pips more at the end of the month. Man, it makes a huge difference, you know, huge difference. Plus now, I'm not stressed about managing my risk. Because most of the time, when I was taking a 10 pips profit, I had to manage my risk. Because if my trade was going like to 10 pips drawdown, my next winner is going to be 10 pips. So it's kind of a break-even situation. And most of the time, especially these days, those candles are pretty big. Most of these days, your stop's going to be average probably 12 pips. If you trade on our styles, it's going to be probably around 12, 13, 14 pips stop loss. So now you have to manage, you know, your loss. But now if you have a 15 pip target and you have a 12 pip stop loss, even if you get a full stop, your next win's going to be bigger. So it's you know, I still try to, you know, cut my losses short, of course, you know, of course, but it's not as stress as it was before. So yeah. Hey, cheers, guys. All right, so let's see here. Uh, it's no problem, Sasha. I have a Microsoft laptop as well. Yeah, that's perfect, man. That's what I suggest, man. Just leave your MT4 on PC and that's it. How is the funding challenge going? Oh, yes. Today I'm gonna explain that. I fucked up today. Uh, but that's okay. It's still alive, but I'm in a drawdown of like 3%. Yeah, 3.5, I think. So we'll see. I still got 1 week to go. But it's too bad because lately price is ranging around NYSC. I had some good trade, but most of the time when I took it, it was just like, I don't know, man. It's just like too bad, too bad, too bad. It is what it is. And again, I'm trading that funding account based on one candle, one type of trade, and that's it. Horrible GG ce mois-ci en termes de price action. Tony, t'as absolument raison. Le price action il est vraiment très difficile ce mois-ci. Spécial, différent. Ouais. Insane, 15 peeps are magic, yeah. How many episodes of Forex Talk Over Beer have you made? That's a good question. I started on IG. If you want to see my first episode of Forex Talk Over Beer, they are on my IGTV, on IG. And on YouTube, I don't know, man. It's a good question. Iron Man. Oh, what's up, Clay? Like. Thank you, man. Journal is the most important thing. You can come back and see real stuff. This is what helped me a lot last week, man. Oh, Roman, thank you. Based on your journal, you can build your system, definitely. April has been really bumpy for GJ. Let's be glad it's over. Yeah, man. April was a challenge. I think April was the month I had the most losses, like in the past year, if I'm not wrong. So, and still, I'm still in blue at the end, but I wish it would be better, you know. So, last month was delicious. Last month was like blue sky, man. So yeah, last month was whoo sheesh. Yeah. Okay, so now let's talk about Tuesday. Okay, so let's talk about Tuesday. All right, so again, add 2 trades again. So it looks like a pattern here, but it's not usually. But you know, it is what it is. Okay, so yeah, yesterday. Oh man. Let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday was probably the biggest slap in my face in a freaking long time. I don't know where to start with this. All right, so let's read the comment here. So this morning, GA, because I traded on GA because GJ was shit. So GA gave me a good slap. H4 was bearish and price was coming up to the H4 golden zone, and the goal was to retest the newest low. I was looking on a smaller time frame to find an entry. When the 7 a.m. candle closed bearish under 750 QP, I took a small entry, and when we traced up, I took a second entry using dynamic risk. Once H1 closed, nice engulfing bearish, I actually had 2 more positions since I had closed one earlier when the price going hard against me. I really need to stick with my rule. I forgot one word. With my rule of waiting for the 30-minute, I don't know if it makes sense in English, but whatever. Minute close before cutting my position. This one was one of my biggest loss in a long time, minus 3%, man. This is one of my biggest loss in a long time. Big stupid mistake. I should have moved my SL to BE manually when missed by 0.1 pip. My auto break even. My SL to be when missed by 0.1 pip. My auto B. That's a good thing I'm reading this with you guys. This is against my rule. So let's put. And this is actually, I also teach my student and didn't do. So I felt like a retard. So this is against my rule to let winner turn into a loser. This trade was literally 10.9 pips in profit. Worst case, I should have got out at BE. So yeah. So let's start. I was dumb. And yeah, nothing else to add. You know, I'm able to say I was dumb. You know, what do you want me to do? You know. But the good thing with a journal is now you can write it, you can expose yourself to everyone, and now you gotta make sure you don't repeat that stupid mistake twice. Okay? So let's take a look at it closely. Okay, so this is GA. Alright. So GA. Alright, so let's take a look here. So big wick to the upside was indicating bearish pressure. Okay, so this candle here, like we saw a big rejection to the upside, closing small body under this QP. So I was like, all right, that looks pretty good. The problem was here, I was not able to take an entry right here because this was a small body candle, right? Small body candle. I didn't want to take and on the opening of the candle, and the problem is the H1 was still bullish, right? So at this stage, so I was like, that's too risky. So, and it's too early for an impulse entry, so I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna stick with my rules. So next candle now started to go down and close nice bearish. So I was like, all right, awesome. Now let's go take a look at H1. So if you look at H1, now looking at H1, you have a nice resistance formed with a nice bearish engulfing candle. So I was like, all right, this is it. Now we're coming back down, baby. Let's go. Plus we formed resistance in these H4 golden zone under this 750 QP. I had many confirmations, and usually again this type of setup worked for me. I've been trading this kind of setup for a while, and it's been working great. So I was like, all right, let's go. So I took an entry. Where was it here? I took an entry on the opening of the candle. Oh, actually, sorry. Let's rewind that. For a second. My first entry, I took it here on the opening of the candle. And remember I said it doesn't make sense. Not it doesn't make sense, but it's risky because the H1 was still bullish. So what I did is I took a small position first, and I told my student, if the H1 closed bearish nicely, I'm gonna add positions. Okay, so that's exactly what I said, and you can ask them and they will confirm that. So I took my first entry here on the opening of this candle. Price started to reject here and was playing with me, and I was like, okay. And this is why I didn't put the tag here, I don't know, but I took a position out somewhere in here. I can't remember where it was exactly, but I took one position out before the close of the 30 minutes. So usually what I do is if I take my entry on 30 minute, I will wait for the 30-minute candle to close to see if I exit the position, partials or fully or whatever, But I didn't wait, and I closed one position in full. Price started to go my way. I was like, oh, fuck, man. So I said, all right, so if next H1 closed bearish, I'm going to add my position I closed plus 2, So, and that's exactly what I did. And when H1 closed, nicely bearish here, I add my position. So once H1 closed engulfing position, I added 2 position plus my one that I closed. So yeah, and after that, price never went in profit, went straight the hell up against me and got stopped fully. But the problem is, price was actually here at 10.9 pips profit. 10.9 pips profit. Yeah, that was stupid. That was so stupid. That was me being a kid. So, long story short, the thing that we need to understand here is whatever. If your stop loss or your take profit like a couple pips, away, and you see price you're chasing down, you know what? Do it manually. Don't be a kid like I did. It's just stupid, especially being in profit, which is super close to my goal. Being in profit and let that trade turn against you. This doesn't make any sense. If I had a student sending me this and showing me a loss after being 10.9 pips in profit, I would be mad. I would be like, dude, what the, And I did it. So, bravo, bravissimo, 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 Sasha. Bravo, champion. C'est yeah, that was not my best thing. So again, I don't hide it. I don't hide behind this. I show it because I'm transparent. But after that, what happened? I said, all right, F you, GA. You're going to give me back my money. So that's what I did. So after that loss, I decided to wait for NYSE or London close volume, looking at H1. At 8 a.m., price formed a nice support, closing above 750 QP, engulfing. Next candle went down 17 pips. 17 pips down. And start rejecting, forming a nice tail for dogtail setup. Once it broke previous high, I entered my positions. I was trying to set up my challenge account at the same time for the GJ trade, so I forgot to put my PTP, my partial take profit. And when I came back to GA, it was already I think 17 or 18 pips profits. I was like, all right, so I put a random partial TP, and it hit at 19 pips. So, and it closed 19 pips, 90%, and the runner ran pretty good, man. So, moral of this story, do not let a bad loss kill your mindset. Stay strong, stay focused, I mean, you know what you're doing. So you gotta trust yourself and believe in yourself, Trust in your analysis, believe in yourself, and keep going at it, right? So, cheers, guys. All right, so let's see comments before I look at this closer. What time is it now? All right, we good. Let's see. Got an idea. If you haven't done 100 episode yet, on the 100 episode, drink 100 beers. Yeah, no. Drink today is water. Oh, nice. Rages. How was fishing, man? Same, but I'm feeling fancy today, so I bought a Voss. Oh, okay. This is very interesting sample here. Oh. Yep. Roman, because we need to ask yourself why it didn't work out. Yep. And I figured out that we tapped in that 30-minute previous resistance. Yeah, it was the 30-minute previous resistance. But with that volume, it should have break, The first question I asked before taking a trade is, what would Jesus do? I'm not sure you can see it because it's hard to explain. It's based on chat. Need to zoom to show it. Okay. Don't be greedy. Exactly. That was maybe a greed issue. I think it was more of a childish issue because I think the thing with Magic Key, it comes addictive. That sound that it's trigger, it get me so excited. I don't know. Just I just wanted to trigger, I don't know. It's me being a kid, just yeah, it is what it is. One more thing from this week. NYSE Open plus London close volume is strong. Oh, yes. Very, very strong, my friend. Very strong. Totally garbage. Okay. All right. Coach broke rules. Yes, I did. I should be on my knee in the corner for at least an hour. Yeah, I wasn't proud of myself, to be honest. But again, I don't have to say that to you guys. I don't have to say that to my students. I don't have to say that to anyone. I can keep that for myself and lie to everyone and say I just win. Like many other people that have course and streams, and they always win and they don't show their losses, and but I don't give a fuck. I'm not like that. So GA gave me my fucking money back. Yeah, man. GA gave me my fucking money back. So it actually did. It actually did. So let's take a look at this closely. So let's take a look at this closely. All right, so support was formed here with engulfing bullish candle very nicely, closing above this QP right here. So that was pretty good. A big dogtail setup here, 17 pips down, put my SL under. Once it broke right here, enter my positions, bam, and partial TP hit right here, 19 pips, just before this major QP. And I closed 2 runners here because I was targeting this wick fill here for my 2 runners, and the third one that was left got stopped out at break even, and that's it. So that was a pretty good trade, this one. Yeah, very, very, very solid. All right, so now let's take a look at today. You guys wanted to see today? All right, today was sick. Okay, so I first called a gold sell on gold that played out pretty well. I think it went like 20 pips profit, if I'm not wrong. Anyways, I can't remember, but we call that with our students. Win and profit was pretty good. All right, so GJ, let's take a look at GJ. GJ was in a you see this? Massive dog shit, right? So look at this. GJ was ranging for how long? Hold on, let's see. For holy shit, 23 hours. 23 hours of range. Cheers to that. Alright, so let's see your comments before we break this down. Let's see. Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button. We're close to 30 likes. Okay, what happened to you and Raja? Oh, nothing. Nothing happened. Absolutely nothing. We still talk pretty much every week or so. So yeah, nothing. Why people think something happened? Nothing happened. Oui, chaque trade a une chance de probabilité différente. C'est dur d'y prêter attention quand on subit une perte. Absolument. Absolument, Tony. T'as raison. Are you using dynamic risk or you do one entry on full lot? Depends on the setup. On different setup, I use on certain setup I use dynamic risk. On dogtail setup, I do not use dynamic risk because I'm not expecting price to coming back down, so I cannot use dynamic risk, right? So yeah. J'en profite de parler français. On n'a pas de bons traders chez nous. Hey, ça fait plaisir, Tony. N'importe quand, lorsque tu as des questions, tu ne te gênes pas. T'es de quel endroit, Tony? Laisse-moi savoir. Laisse-moi savoir, Tony. Ça va me faire plaisir de t'aider. D'ailleurs, le mardi et le jeudi matin à 5h30 AM, heure de l'Est, je fais une session de trading en direct qui est en français et anglais. Donc, tu peux venir poser des questions, ça va me faire plaisir. My son got his mission called to Richmond, Virginia, church mission for 2 years. Oh, wow. Okay. One more thing. Every single time we try to explain why something didn't work out, nothing will work 100%. Yeah, absolutely. That's why those losses, except for that one from yesterday, the other losses I had so far, I cannot say they were stupid loss. That one from yesterday was totally stupid. That one was retarded because it was in profit for 10.9 pips, you know. So this was completely stupid. But all the rest, you know, it actually played out. So it actually just didn't play it out that time, but most of the time it actually plays out. Yogi, late but made it. Thanks as always for the stream session. Oh, you're welcome, Yogi. Thank you, thank you. We have to understand nothing works all the time, of course. Also, we can't win every trade, obviously. You have to be ready to lose. La 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 la. Beginning work. Okay. Roman is happy, chatty today. How those beers you bought? Yeah, I think Roman's getting drunk, man. Yeah, you're not serious. Don't try that. Yeah, no, but you're right. We need to be ready to lose. Yeah, of course. Doge to the moon. Let's see. Okay. Makes sense. What's up, you go, man? I wonder if we're going to see the Forex Talk Over Beer mascot on your story today. Who is the mascot? Oh, yeah. I don't know. We'll see. Hablas Arabic? No, I don't. I don't. Love your truck. Oh, thank you, KV. Thank you. I love my truck too. Je viens de Lyon. Oh, et j'étais dans la Forex Family en 2016. Oh, wow. Mais j'ai toujours eu du mal avec l'anglais. Je connais Rakil et Ted depuis très longtemps, mais toujours pas profitable. Hey, ça va me faire plaisir si tu veux venir assister à notre session de trading en direct. Ça va me faire plaisir de t'aider, mon ami. Love your talk over beer. Oh, thank you, Wes. Thank you. All right, so now, let's... Oh, we got 30 likes. Boop, 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 boop. Party. Cheers. All right, so now, let's see what happened today. So basically, I was looking for break and retest of this bottom neckline on the daily. So if you look at this on the daily... So if you look at this on the daily, you got this, and this, right? So you want to break this neckline and shoot up, right? This is a reversal pattern. I don't trade based on that, but this was a hint. Yeah, so now let's go back to the 30-minute. I was also looking at sells under this 151 major QP and not taking any trade into this dog shit area. So basically what happened here, so if you look, this candle at 9:30 finally broke above this zone right here, which is also above this 250 QP. So I was like, all right, now we have something. A lot of people took a trade right at the opening of the candle, got excited, right? Because they saw a breakout candle. I don't do those anymore. I either wait for break and retest or dogtail setup. That's it. Because I lost way too much money on fake outs. So I'm like, fuck it. I'm not taking this. I'm going to wait. So I waited. And this candle, bam, shoot down and took everybody out, you know. So me, I just waited. And all our students, I told them, just wait, guys. So now we flip to H1. Looking at this, and once we saw this huge rejection here, that was a lot of fuel putting up into this rocket, but it didn't rocket too high, but still. So that tail from that dogtail setup was formed. So once we broke this high right here, bam, smashed the entries and rocked it, right? So, and this one, man, today was no volume, you know, even with all that fuel, that's the only move we had. It actually moved to like, my partial TP was set at 15, my auto break even was set at 11. So my 11 pips, so basically right around here, my auto break even got hit. So everything got put to break even. And what I did is spiked up a little bit and wasn't having problem here. It was playing, you know, my 15 pips was kind of right here, if I'm not wrong. Right around here. It was like 481, if I'm not wrong. 491. Yeah, 491, if I'm not wrong. Was it 491 or 481? I can't remember. But 481 or 491, I can't remember which one was it. But anyways, so when I surprised having a hard time, you know, was just playing over here. I was like, yeah, you know what? I had two positions. So I actually closed one position in full at 12 pips. I'm like, fuck it. Especially with the day that we had. I mean, there was no volume. Nothing was happening. I was like, you know what? Let's secure some profits here. So I secured 12 pips. I was like, fuck it. So, and I let the rest run. I left one position in full run, and it took like what, 30 minutes, another hour, an hour and a half, and finally here, it finally hit. I think 481, 491. I think, yeah, right here. So it finally hit right here. Jesus. So yeah. So that position was closed at 90%. That second position, and the rest got stopped out at break even. So that was the trade from today. That's it. Pretty simple, right? Nothing special. Let's see. So what's the little something that you were gonna tell us in the pre-show but waited for the stream? I was about to do something, but I keep that for Friday. Cause it's already like, yeah, it's already 47 minutes here. Shasha totally looks like the man character from Outlander. Yeah, you told me that before, man. I don't know. Yeah, actually another person told me that, which is weird. Learning a lot from you. Oh, thank you, Wes. When we will start trade GBP cap? Roman, you gotta stop with that. Cheers. Quelle joie de vivre qui se dégage de toi. Ça fait toujours plaisir de venir sur tes live, buddy. Oh, merci beaucoup, Thomas. C'est très apprécié. J'apprécie beaucoup. Merci. We established this couple weeks ago, Clay. Oh, okay. GCAT is such a shit pair, man. I lost every trade I took on that pair. Oh, okay. Roger took the same trade, I think. Okay. It had no wake up. Oh yeah, that's something I discussed with my students like maybe a month and a half ago. It's actually something I recorded in the new update of the course a couple weeks ago. I'm just not done editing, but yeah, I mean, you gotta understand you gotta understand how price action works, right? So basically, I'm gonna give you free shit here, guys. This is free, okay? So you better smash that like button. So when you see price pushing hard like this, and it closed with no top wick on the top, it doesn't mean there's no range to go up. It doesn't mean there was so much pressure up and time was up. It was 30 minutes up and just close here and they have no more time to continue up. That is it, you know? If you see a big wick rejection like this and close with no wick, doesn't mean there's no range. It means this thing's gonna freaking rock, you know? So yeah. So that's the short explanation. So let's see. We established this couple. Okay. This is insane, coach. Thank you, but I think you were late. Late on that entry? No. Actually, you took it right at the break. Yeah, I took it right at the break. I learned today 30-minute candle is the boss on GJ. Yeah, 30-minute rocks. 30-minute and H1, man. H1 and 30-minute. That was the best thing that can happen to me. 15 minutes. So many losses. I mean, you could secure 15 pips earlier. Oh, no. Actually, no. Maybe my spread was bigger than yours. I don't know. But yeah, I actually triggered the entry right after the break. So maybe there was a delay on my entry. I didn't look, but yeah. It actually, when it's, the max that I hit, it was 13 pips. So I was missing 2 pips. Because if you look at this. If you look at H1. So if you wait to break this high, you see it goes to 14.5 pips right here. And you need to take out the spread, right? So at this time with NYC, it was probably like a pip spread, somewhere around there. So you're at 13.5 or something like that, So, hey Sasha and everyone. Hey, what's up, Lauren? How are you? It's been a long time. We have 33 viewers and 34 like. It's a win. Oh yes, this is a pretty good, man. This is a pretty good like ratio, man. 32 people on, 35 likes. If you didn't like the stream yet, smash it. Let's kill that ratio, man. Let's kill it. Let's kill it. All right. That's then status for likes. Oh man, we're on YouTube. I cannot put music. But there's some good music playing in the background though. Tomorrow, I'm gonna save you a dance for tomorrow. Tomorrow morning we're gonna dance. Cause tomorrow morning I can feel. Can you smell it? Smell it. Oh, I smell the wind. Yeah, oh yeah, I smell the wind for tomorrow. Oh, whoa! 40 likes, man, with 30 people on. Woo! Sheesh. We're killing it. Thank you guys. Thank you. Very appreciate, man. Very appreciate. Seriously. Abdullah Ali learned that from Sasha as well. That 30 minutes is the best entry time frame. I did it so much that I was able to remove the 15 minutes with ease. Oh, that's amazing, man. Amazing. Hey, cheers, guys. Cheers. What an amazing Wednesday, man. We have such a great group of people, man. I have to say, the students that we have right now at Forex Docs Academy, the group that, man, I wish you can all be there, man. You should see, man, that Discord go, man. The energy in that Discord, this is nothing close to anything I saw before. The people that we have is so quality. Oh, man, it's amazing. I'm so blessed. I just like, yeah, thank you guys, man. Thank you. All right, so now let's finish with this. We have a contest going on. Starting today, I actually post something on my IG. If you didn't see yet, go on my profile. You'll see a post. Okay, so I'm gonna show you something very quickly. Let's see here. Alright, so basically you need to go on my profile on IG. You see that post right here? You need to click on this little thing here that says share. Wait a second. You should be able to share it on your story, no? Should be able to. Maybe because on the computer, maybe? Yeah, but anyways, you should be able to share it on your story. So anyways, so you share this on your story. If you're not able, do a screenshot, post it on your story, tag it, and you might have a chance to win a full mentorship program and the course. Friday, you have until, what time did I say Friday? You have until 5 p.m. Eastern on Friday to enter that contest. So make sure you post that into your story and you write a little text that says why you want to win or what do you like about the FX Dogs Academy. All right, so this is a giveaway. This is a giveaway because we have some scumbags trying to steal from us, and I had to kick them out from the program. They actually got a charge back from their credit card company, so they got refunded still, but I don't give a shit. I'm a man of my word, so I'm going to give that away still. So this is going to be a free giveaway. Plus, the surprise is I'm going to add two $100 coupons on Friday also. So there's going to be 3 winners on Friday. So you want to make sure you be there Friday. Friday's going to be a lot of fun, man. Friday's going to be a lot of fun. If you think Wednesday was fun, Friday is always nicer, you know. Friday's fun. Fridays, yeah, we talk about everything Friday. So yeah, man. That's it. All right, let's put this thing a little bigger here. Where's my mouse here? All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. So let's see, last couple questions, and we're gonna end this. 42 likes with 31 people, man. This is so much love, man. Thank you so much. I just want to say Sasha changed my trading, and it means it changed my future life. Wow, man, that's deep, Roman. Thank you very much, man. This is. I don't take those comments easily, to be honest. It's just like those really touch me. Yeah, it does. It just wow. Thank you, man. Yalla yalla from Mike. Yes, yalla yalla is a thing that we have in our Discord group, and you should see. You know what? Let me show you a sneak peek. All right, so fuck it. Let me show you a sneak peek of the Discord group. This Discord group is just insane. All right, so let's. I want to show you this. This Discord group is fire, man. All right, so look at this. This is us, talking about pre-show of Forex Talk Over Beer. Look at these guys getting ready. So this is pretty cool. But look at this NY session. Look, when we were waiting for trade, we're trading. The story is we were trading live all together, right? So I'm always trading live with my students. But at one point, I need to move on my day. I got stuff to do for work, and. So anyways. So long story short, I close the stream, and as I close the stream, price started to move up. So now we're all in Discord chatting and sending message. You say those, oh, come on, GJ, and everyone's yelling, let's go, let's go, yalla, yalla. See, yalla, yalla, it means come on, this is from Simon. In which language? Is it Arabic? I can't remember. Yeah, man, it's just like dabai. That is in Russian, right, Roman? Dabai. Yeah, everybody was just like screaming, waiting. Those dogs waiting and fall asleep. So we're having fun, man. We're just having fun because trading is so boring, to be honest. When you think about it, trading is boring, but we have fun trading, and I think this changed everything. So, yeah, man. Face cam is too big. Joking, man. I want to win. I'm gonna post a book on this post. Oh, all right. Awesome, man. Roman is definitely not allowed to participate because last time Roman won like 3 things, I think, out of that. Yeah, it was just like crazy. So Roman is definitely not allowed to participate in that thing. So let's see. Last comment, and we're gonna end this. Can we get 45 likes? Man, we're missing one. We're at 44. Can we get 45? I'll be super happy. Let's see. Roman does the wave. Guess you could call that form a dance on a chair. Because Roman is dancing like this when he dances. I love it. Sorry, too drunk to do that. That's from KV. Hey, cheers, guys. Oh man, I'm so about to spread that energy. Yeah, man. All right. Let's see. Hello, Sasha. Hello, Carrie. What's up? I want to win. I'm gonna post a book. Okay, perfect. How can we join on Discord? The Discord is strictly for students. Strictly for students now. So, Facecam. I got the Telegram group going. To be honest, I've been lazy on the Telegram group. I'm sorry. I do apologize for everyone on the Telegram group. I need to start back posting on Telegram. So, yeah. Soon I'm going to be starting again posting on Telegram. Yeah. Right now, I only post like my events. But I will post trade ideas in the future on my Telegram group also. I just want to say, Sasha. Okay, I read that. Sorry. Story time from Coach again. Carrie. I just want to say. Oh, that was okay. I thought that was Roman. Okay. Whoa. Wait a second. This is different. I just want to say Sasha changed my trading, and it means he changed my future. Oh, that was Carrie. I thought it was Roman that said that. Oh, thank you very much, Carrie. Very appreciate. Roman says that's fucking true, man. Okay. Have FOMO. The pack sounds so much fun. Community is everything. Oh yeah, man. We have a tons of fun on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You should see what happened. Oh my gosh. I wish I can share. It's a lot of fun. Sasha, can we ever see your trading log? Like how Raja show is? Not really. The reality is, I don't want to put anything out there, and the reason why is really simple. Okay, the reason why is really simple. I have friends, family, customers from my job that are on my Instagram. I don't want to flex any numbers. I don't want to show any numbers. I did that previously. 'Cause if you look at my story and previous post, you'll see numbers. You'll see my wins and the amount of money I was making. You'll see that. If you dig, you'll find. Okay, but the reality is I had a lot of problem with that. I had some friends that was jealous and made some trouble. Family problem also. Yeah, no, so to be honest, I have nothing to prove. I'm not saying Raj is doing this to prove something. To be honest, I'm not saying that. Okay, I'm not saying that. This is actually great to have Raja showing stuff like this, transparency like this. But to be honest, people follows me because they want to follow me, and that's great. But I will never show my stuff because this is my personal income. I don't want to put that like to the publics. I don't think like any real estate agent, when they sell a house, they're gonna show how much money they make. So this is the same concept here. This is my personal thought about that, and it's great if people wants to do it. On my end, I don't feel the needs to do that, and I don't see why I should do that. So if you people want to stop following me because of that, that is fine. I have no problem with that. Don't forget, I'm not selling a course to make money. I have no need for that. I don't give a shit. I actually built that course because I had a lot of requests about it, and that is it. That's the only reason. I don't need that money. The only reason why I put a price point on it is because I don't want to waste my time also with dumb people. So that's it. So yeah. But you can see all my wins and my loss in my Trixie journal. Okay, you can see everything in there. So that is me being super transparent with you guys. Again, Sasha from Hurt, I've learned a lot from you. Oh, thank you very much. Smash and again, if you trade live, like if I wasn't trading live with you guys on Tuesday and Thursday morning, or with my students every freaking day. Now you need to prove something. You need to show some results. But I'm trading live with you guys every freaking Tuesday and Thursday, and with every single day with my students. So, nothing else to add to this, right? So, that's it. All right, smash that like button. Oh, man, we went to 48 likes? Is that possible? Holy! All right, at 50, I was just about to say at 50 likes, I'm gonna chug that beer, but there's like a sip left. But yeah, at 50 likes, I'm gonna end this beer. Like the motherfucking stream. That's crazy, man. 49 likes. All right, holy, that's crazy. He has a public trading journal, and I think it's almost the same thing. It is, come on, yeah. I sold off first week. I took course. Oh yeah, look at this. Roman actually didn't have the money. Oh, we did 50 likes. Holy, cheers, guys. That's it. So Roman actually didn't have the money, I think, to sign up first. He actually did money while trading live with us on YouTube. After that, he joined the course, and after I think 1 week, is that it, Roman? I sold off the first week. I took course and sold off first week. Yeah, in 1 week trading with us, he paid the course in full. So yeah. Sasha, I see 50 likes. Yeah, this is done. 50 likes, then it's fair enough. Okay, fuck it. Yeah, I cannot put music though. Okay, tomorrow I swear I'm gonna dance. We're gonna put some music and we're gonna dance. But now it's already like, it's been over an hour. This is my longest Forex talk over beer ever. Amazing, Roman. All right, true. All right, guys. Thank you very much for being here. I went way over time. Sorry, went way over time tonight. Now the 12. Yeah, I'm gonna go crack up another beer here. Hey Sasha, how to transition from working full time to trading full time? Okay, let's cover this and we're gonna end this. Man, this is my longest episode ever. Okay. First, you don't need to transition from full-time work to full-time trader. Personally, I still work. You know, and the reason why I still work is I really love my job and I'm really passionate about it. And the time I'm gonna be ending this journey is gonna be the time I don't have any more challenge, or I hate my job, or I'm like tired of it, or something like that. Or maybe I have too many students to taking care of. That's gonna be one of those reasons. But so far, I mean, I'm still enjoying my job. I'm having fun. I have challenge. I gotta work with my dogs every day, so I don't feel the need of trading full time. And the other thing is, just think about it. Trading full time. What does that mean? Trading full time. That means what? You're gonna be trading, like you're gonna be looking at your chart like all day long. Me, a person like me, I'm an hyperactive guy. I need to have projects. I need to do something. Me, if I don't have a job right now, I know myself. I'll be trading all day long. I'll be like trading like probably like 20 trades a day. So I know myself. So for me right now, is it actually good that I have a job, right? So it's actually good because it takes me out, and I do something else. Because you got to keep yourself busy with something. So yeah, you don't need to do that. But let's say you want to do that. The best thing is to schedule some stuff, and you want to make sure that you have enough money to sustain your lifestyle for at least 1 year. That's what I said to people. Make sure you have enough money on the side to live for 1 full year. So if shit hit the fan, and it's not working out the right way the first couple months, you still have money in the bank that can provide for you and your family. But don't forget, trading full time is a lot of pressure. And if you have a lot of pressure, your mindset will make you take the wrong move. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, you're going to take the wrong move, or you're going to take the wrong decision because you have that much pressure on your shoulder. It's really hard, So if you're not consistent for like maybe 6 months, don't quit your job. And if you don't have enough money to, provide your family for at least a year, don't do it. So that would be the only way you can do it, is if you have enough money to do it, and if you've been consistent for at least 6 months in a row. So that's it. All right, guys. So hopefully that helps. Thanks for everything, Sasha. Great stream as always. So much fun. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow morning. All right, tomorrow morning I'll see you at Trade with the Pack, and I'm gonna be there at 5:30 a.m. Eastern. See ya.